Amanda here. Thanks so much for joining me. So I've got a collection to share with you, and I'm calling this My Happy Planner. So the idea for this was I want to create some handmade gifts for Christmas this year. So August is just about the right time to start preparing if you're going to be doing handmade gifts, and this is perfect. So it's called My Happy Planner, and I've designed this so that it can kind of be tailored towards two kind of age groups, either the more mature person, a bit like me, or if you're quite young in the head like me, you can have it cutesy, or it would make a great gift for somebody, for a younger person. Although I'm going to be making it and I'm going to be using it for myself. So this first page here just gives you kind of an idea of the kind of colour scheme that I've used. I've kept it fun and bold and cutesy, but it's also kind of pastel. It's not gaudy in your face. It's lovely. So this page here I'm going to be using for my front cover for my planner. Okay, it says daily planner there, and we've got some fantastic elements. There's 30 pages altogether in this collection. You may not need them all. You can mix and match them. Some are to print on the back of others, etc. Okay, so first of all, we've got the day of the week sheets. So on one half, we've got the day, and you can write your own date in, and then you can plan what you're going to do on that day. And then the second half is mostly notes. So obviously, if you wanted to do it as a journal page or a planner page, it'd go like so. You'd print something on that side, and then that's going to be your backside page. So all the day of the week ones are the same sort of layout. Now I'm going to be making mine a little bit different, and rather than having loads of days of the week pages, what I'm going to do is I may well just chop these up into like pocket card type things, and then have like one for every month or every 2 or 3 months, because if you schedule something on a Monday, if it's a regular appointment, you're going to have it every Monday. So there's different ways you can use this. Okay, obviously if you print a Monday out for every Monday of the year, your planner's going to be about that big. So the other thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing it as like a Midori style, so that you can take pages out and add them. So when you get to the end of the month, you can take the weekly pages out if you've completed them and swap them out for new ones. Okay, and then if you want to keep these, you can keep them in a separate file, or you can dispose of them. Totally up to you. But like I say, another idea is that you can cut them into like cards and put them in a pocket or whatever. There's loads of different ways that you can use it. So we've got Monday, we've got some nice arrangement there, and there's Tuesday. So the layout's similar, but some of the decorations are different. We've got a different motivational kind of cutesy quote on each one. We've got different decorations. These are different colours, these are different colours. The background's the same, so that it all coordinates nicely and has kind of a theme, and you'll see things used repeatedly throughout. So that's Tuesday. Wednesday, we've got stars here and a to-do list with some tick boxes and goals, so again slightly different. Thursday, similar layout here, slightly different here, slightly different here. Friday again, slightly different, but the same sort of layout so that it looks cohesive. Saturday, loving this, loving these little sticky notes. Okay. And then we've got Sunday, and that's all of the days of the week. Then we've got a weekly kind of at a glance planner, and these kind of pages would be great in the centre of a signature so that they're open fully out. So there's a weekly planner. You can put the date in, and you can just print this out as many times as you want. Okay, so if you were gifting it, you might, print a few out or just put a few in the planner. If it's for yourself, then every time you need one, you've got the file and you can just print another one out. Perfect. It's a never-ending planner. And then here we've got a weekly planner. So this is non-date specific, so you can put your own dates in it, for example. So again, it's not year specific, it'll last forever. The days of the week are not year specific neither. You've just got you know, the first, second, third, whatever dates there and times there. It's not date specific. Okay. To-do list, appointments, things to do today, things to do tomorrow, like your ironing, little notes, and it's on a lovely faded background, and that one is a light pink. And then here you've got, so that's your weekly, and then here is just a monthly at a view. So you've got all the days of the week. You can fill your own month in, fill your own dates in, etc. So it's, you know, it's going to last forever. This kit, you know, is not year specific. Most of the pages, I think there's just one calendar page, and you can just use it and use it and use it. It's perfect. And I've kept it quite plain so that you could even have it as a doodle planner, so you can do your own embellishments on it. You could stamp on it, you can add your own washi tape or stickers or whatever, but you will see further on in the collection there are embellishments to go with it, but you could do your own. So if you want a more grown up plain planner, you can use these pages without embellishments. So there's your monthly, and I've got one with a pink background and one with a blue, so you can print whichever option you prefer. Again, if you're doing a more grown-up planner, you've got a budget planner and a yearly planner. Okay, and again, you can print these out as many times as you like, the non-year specific. Then we've done a 2024 calendar. Okay, so all of this is perfect for the coming year. You can always just, if you want to do another planner next year using the same pages, just print yourself a 2025 calendar. Then I've done some like plain patterned background. So this is like grid, so it's perfect for writing on. The colours coordinate. You can use these to print on the reverse side of these other sheets, or you can use them to decorate. You can use them for writing pages, print them double-sided, for example. Lots of uses for them. I'm going to be maybe decorating the spine of my planner with this as well. Lots of uses. Okay, and there's the one in blue, and it's got some white splatters on. Then I've just done the colours that you see throughout, which is the blue and the pink. I've done plain pages because people always ask me for the plain colours that are the main colours in collections. So there you've got them if you want to make any, you know, if you want to use your whale tail tab punch and make some tabs, or you want to do whatever, matte and layering cards or things like that, journaling cards or planner cards, then you've got the coloured backgrounds that coordinate perfectly. Okay, so here we've got another planner page with these cute little planner notes here, blown up to be big, plenty of writing space, and one side for each of the dominant colours in the collection. I think that's really cute. Okay, and then this is just plain dots, so these are tailored for writing on. So you might print it again, you might print that on the back of there, and then when you've got that as page, you've got writing there, and then when you open there, you've got writing again. Okay, so you've got one in the pink and one in the blue. Perfect. I hope the camera's picking them up. Then we've got a plain kind of dusky pink columned page. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 columns there. Again, print them double-sided. Perfect planner or journal pages. So you can either go planner or you can go journal planner, like a bit of a mishmash. Okay, so here's like a decorative page that I did, again with some of these little clusters put together, and we've got these blown up sticky notes here, perfect for writing. Beautiful. So you could print that on one side and that on another side, and that would be really, really cool. Okay, and the idea of these is that all you need to do is trim off your white border and use the whole size of the page so that you know you're not going to waste anything. Then we've got the grid background that I've done here with the distress, pink distress. We've got here, so it's a pink grid, white background, pink distress, and then we've got it with the blue. So again, these make great kind of plain pages for writing. Maybe you do like to do bullet journaling or art journaling or doodle journaling, or just, you know, a prayer journal or a gratitude journal. So there's loads and loads of writing pages. Okay, and then the embellishments are separate. Rather than them being on the page, I've kept them separate. You can fussy cut them and decorate to your heart's content. I mean, what a lot of people do when they're journaling, they might start with a plain page, they might do the journaling and then decorate it as they go and do some doodling or add on some embellishments that's further along in the collection. The possibilities really are quite endless. So here's one page of embellishments. So you've got the sticky notes in pink and blue there. Hope I'm in shot. And then we've got some more sticky notes here. You can either cut them out as a complete set or cut them out one at a time. Then we've got some little journaling cards or planner cards. They remind me a little bit like Project Life cards, that kind of a vibe. So they're cute. You can cut them out. You could attach them to your pages, or you could make little pockets. Like I say, the sky's the limit really. Then we've got some more planner cards. Like I say, they remind me of the old Project Life cards. One to do goals. We've got circular ones. Again, like I say, cut them out, add them to your page, use a Pritt stick, staple them, paper clip them, or make them into cards and do little tucks and things like that. And then here's some more. These are really cute with the little hearts on, so you could write to do on there or whatever, and then you can write on there, or you can add little photographs or things of interest from that day if you want to use it as a journal rather than a planner. It could be either. It could be a planner or a journal. And we've got it in the pinks and in the blues. And then if you like cute things like I do, or you are tailoring it towards a younger age group, we've got some planner stickers. Now I've printed these on coloured backgrounds so that you can clearly see the white borders. Now I will probably print these, I'm going to print some on cardstock and laminate them to make like planner charms. Or add them to paper clips, and some I'm going to print on A4 sticker sheet so that I can just cut around and stick them into my planner as and when I like. So if you were making it as a gift, you could do that. You could cut them all out for the person and put them in a little pouch inside the cover of the journal or planner for them to use as they go. I think it'd make a great gift. Now, the coloured background doesn't need to be wasted because you can use that. You can, like I say, do little die cuts or punches, or use your small circle punches to punch out whatever's left of this coloured background and make bullet points. So nothing needs to be wasted. So these are quite cute, sir. They might not be for everybody, but I think they're really rather charming. And we've got quite a collection there. Like I say, some I'm going to laminate and some will be attaching to the pages. We've also got some of the quotations there to do, weekly goals, daily planner. We've got some cute pens and some cute flowers. As I say, you can just print away and print away and print away and print as many times as you like. Because once you've bought a digital collection, it's there. So all you need to do is think, oh, well, I need another day of the week page, or I need another set of cards, or I need another to-do list. All you've got to do is go in your file and print one out. So 30 pages. It's a fantastic, fantastic, fun collection. Like I say, with a variety of pages. Perfect for journaling. If you write journals and you write a daily journal of whatever kind, or as a planner to just plan your schedule and your appointments, or to, maybe you want to doodle on it or do bullet journaling. You can do absolutely anything with these. And I've kept most of the pages fairly plain so that you're able to add your own stamp to it. Okay, and then we've got the day of the week with just a small amount of cutesy decoration. So I think that's a fabulous collection. I hope you like it. It is available in my Ko-fi. The link is below the video. It will be on an amazing cost as always, and so it's a low price item if you want to make it as a gift. You want to make them to sell at your craft fairs or your Christmas markets or whatever. I just think it's a really lovely idea. So keep your eyes out for the video where I've made mine, and hopefully it'll give you some ideas of what this looks like when it's turned into a journal or planner. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.